In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to a shared Google Drive folder. To begin, open the shared folder using the link you were given. This ensures you're placing files in the exact location the team expects. If you land on your Drive homepage instead, don't worry. On the left side of the screen, look for the section labeled Shared with Me. This area lists everything others have shared with you, separate from your personal files. Click Shared with Me to view the folders and files available to you. Find the shared folder you plan to use and open it. If you were sent directly to the folder, you might already be inside it. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct destination by checking the folder name at the top of the page and the breadcrumb path. This helps avoid uploading to the wrong place, which can save time for everyone later. Once you're inside the target folder, look toward the top left and click the New button. This opens a small menu with upload options. Choose File Upload. Your computer will display a file picker window. Navigate to the location where your files are stored, select one or more files you want to share, and then confirm by clicking Open or Upload in that window, depending on your operating system. You'll see an Upload Progress panel appear in the bottom right corner of your browser. Each file will show its progress bar, and you'll get a confirmation checkmark when the upload is complete. While the upload is running, keep the tab open and avoid putting your computer to sleep. Large files can take time, and a stable internet connection will make the process smoother. When the upload finishes, the files should appear right inside the folder you opened. If you don't see them immediately, try refreshing the page and make sure you're still viewing the same shared folder. A quick visual check here is a good habit, especially when working with time-sensitive documents or media. A few helpful tips as you work. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account that has upload access. If you can't upload, you may only have view permissions, so you'll need the owner to grant upload rights. You can select multiple files at once in the file picker to save time. Also, be mindful of file sizes and formats your collaborators expect. That's it. You opened the shared area, navigated to the right folder, used New, selected File Upload, chose your files, and confirmed the upload. You're now ready to share content reliably in a shared Google Drive